Hi everyone and welcome. Let's take a look at some recent sales here. We have print ads, we have postcards, we have some media. Let's hop right into it. First ad, 1943 World War II era. This is for Libby's Foods. There's a blow up of the advertisement itself. You can see the World War II stuff, kind of the Rosie the Riveter thing. 100 famous foods. Help him to help your country. That one sold. I took a best offer of $14.99 on this one. And another World War II, this one took a best offer for $19.99, also from 1943, also World War II. B17 Boeing Flying Fortress engines made by Studebaker. This comes back to one of the things I've mentioned on some live shows about the fact that it's really interesting to see companies like Studebaker, who of course made automobiles, getting involved with the war effort and now making engines for planes. You purr just like those engines Dad builds, and you can see a little putty cat in there too. So a nice sale there. $19.99. Up to 1966 we go. This one sold for $16.49 plus shipping. It's a motorcycle ad for Honda, kind of unique. You can see that that's the Queensboro Bridge right there, actually. Very cool. Some people have all the fun, the helmets, little red motorcycle, and it's pretty cool to see the difference here with the old-fashioned horse-drawn carriage next to a new modern little motorcycle. And the next ad is from back in 1927. It's for Hydrox Sunshine Biscuits. I'm sure many people know it's basically an Oreo. I don't know if this predates the Oreo. It's possible. If anybody knows that, leave a comment below and let me know. But anyway, it's pretty much exactly like an Oreo. They're still around, Hydrox. It's the poor man's Oreo cookie. Sunshine Biscuits. Beautiful image here with the horse and the lady. For a lady's favor, that one sold for $14.99. Took a best offer on that one. All right, next up, back to 1965 for this ad. Took a best offer on it as well, $14.99. For Naturalizer shoes, there's an image there. Nothing really to talk about. Pretty simple. Satisfy it with Naturalizer's GG. Apparently that's a type of heel. $14.99. Over to some postcard sales now. This one from New York City. It's Penn Station. The new terminal that was being built. It was kind of an artist concept card. Took a best offer of $12.99 on this one. There's a blow-up of the image. You have a new terminal coming. Legendary place. In the back, this is kind of cool. It has a Sherman-Williams tie-in. So it's sort of an advertisement on the back of the card itself. Some World's Fair postcards that sell all the time for me. 1939. $8 on this one. This would be the U.S. Steel Building, famously known as one of the most popular brands in the United States. And you can see we have the Buy U.S. Savings Bond stamp there. This predates World War II, or as far as America's entrance into it. Looks like it was stamped in 1939. Beautiful card there. Another World's Fair card. This from the 64-65. Another one I have a lot of. These kind of cartoonish styles with the big letters. There's the back. I took a best offer of $6.50 on that card. Another World's Fair card from back in 1939. This, of course, Constitutional Mall. It's an aerial view. Nice looking card there. All linens here from the 30s. 1939, 1940. $8 on that one. And the final World's Fair card that I wanted to show off. This also from 1939. It's from the AT&T American Telephone Telegraph Building. There's the image there. Another $8 sale on that one. And now quickly to a record. This one hurt my heart a little bit. This is my original from 1977 that I bought in 1977. But I recently upgraded. I had a brand new version of this record. It's from 77, new old stock, unopened. It sounds phenomenal. This one I wore out. I played this a million times. I brought this to high school, I remember, and did supposedly a concert. It was basically just me miming to the Beatles record, and I remember bringing this record in. So it took an offer here for $18.99 plus shipping. Sorry to see it go. And then finally, rounding it out, a couple of CD sales. I've been talking about the CD sales. This one is $8. Susanna Hoff's 91. Another one of mine that I just bought new. $8 plus shipping on that one. And then finally, another one of mine. So none of these were from the haul. These are just CDs that I had listed prior to getting the haul of CDs. Bangles all over the place. Their first full-fledged record from 1984. Another one of mine that I have. Big Bangles fan. I used to really like them a lot. Saw them live many times. Sold this one. Also for $8 plus shipping. Thank you, everybody. I know it was a quick video. Just like to keep these things coming, show everybody the kind of stuff that's selling in our store with the hope that it helps motivate you to list similar items. Let me know how you're doing with your sales on eBay or Etsy or any other platform you sell on. If you'd be kind enough to leave a thumbs up on this video, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you are watching it, enjoying the content, and haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. We'd be honored to have you. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye-bye.